ODL Blinds Plus Glass is a safe, low-maintenance option for managing light and privacy in doors and windows. If the track on your blind becomes loose, it is easy to replace. First, make sure you have all the tools you will need. We recommend a putty knife, a utility blade scraper, window cleaner, a cleaning cloth, masking or painter's tape, and a 1.5mm Allen wrench. You will also need a new track assembly, which includes a track with adhesive tape, end caps, and an intermediate stop. Before you get started, if you are replacing the operator, you need to verify that the new operator is the same size and shape as the current operator. Verify that the intermediate stop on the replacement track is the same orientation as the current track, and that the overall length of both tracks are the same. Again, single operator units will not have an intermediate stop on the track. Now you need to remove the existing bottom operator. First, raise the blinds completely. The operator should be at the bottom of the track. Using the Allen wrench, loosen the screw in the bottom end cap. Once this screw is loosened, remove the end cap from the track. Now hold the operator and push down until magnet force is overcome. Slide the operator down and off the track. Be careful, the operators can contain rare earth magnets and have strong attraction properties. Do not allow the operators to come into proximity to one another. If the operators become attached, slide them away from each other, but do not try to pry them apart. Using masking or painter's tape, horizontally outline the top edge of the track and the vertical surface of the track toward the inside of the door, stopping at the intermediate stop for a dual operator. Then apply another long piece below the stop. Once the tape is applied, smooth the tape on the glass by running your thumb up, down, and across the tape. Place the putty knife at the bottom of and slightly under the track. Slide the putty knife and gently pry the track away from the glass, working your way to the top of the track. Continue removing through the intermediate stop to the top. Once the track and operators are removed, scrape off the adhesive residue using a utility blade scraper. To aid in the ease of adhesive removal, rubbing alcohol or window cleaner can be applied. Allow time about 1 to 2 minutes for the solution to soften the adhesive. Avoid getting the tape wet or removing it. Be careful not to nick or gouge the door with the utility blade. It is important to ensure that all the adhesive residue is removed and that the glass surface is fully dry prior to installing the new track. Grip the new track assembly at the top and start pulling off the tape backing on the back of the track to expose a couple inches of adhesive. Align the top of the track with the horizontal edge of the masking tape. Remove the tape backing and apply to the glass, lining the track up with the masking tape edge and pressing the track to the glass. Work your way from top to bottom, ensuring that you have the tape straight and aligned with the previously applied tape as your guide. We recommend peeling backing slowly away from the tape, removing 6 to 8 inches at a time, and working in small sections until you reach the bottom of the track. Once it is fully applied, ensure the new track is firmly attached to the glass along with the total length of the track. Starting at one end, remove the tape from the glass. Slide the new operator onto the track with the operator placed between the track and sash. To engage the bottom operator with the internal magnets in the door, slide the operator from the bottom to the top of the track. As you move up the track, you will meet some resistance 2 separate times. You will need to apply upward force to help snap the operator into position. You will hear a click sound. The second resistance will require more force to snap the operator into position. Once you have experienced 2 separate clicks, the operator is now engaged. Repeat this process for the top operator of a dual operator unit, noting that the top operator will only experience 1 click before engagement. Place the bottom end cap on the track with the set screw facing the sash. Push the end cap until you meet resistance. Tighten the set screw until flush using a 1.5mm wrench. Test the raise, lower, and tilt functions by moving the operator from the top to the bottom to close and open the blind. Then lower the blind halfway. Check the tilt feature by moving the operator up and down slightly. If the track and operator are aligned properly and the magnet is engaged appropriately, the blind should raise, lower, and tilt as originally designed. Finally, using the window cleaner and cleaning cloth, clean the glass around the track and operator to remove any residue left from the track location tape and any fingerprints. ODL Blinds Plus Glass combines easy operating effort and long-lasting reliability that continues our 20-year history of building the best-selling blinds between glass in the industry. For more helpful videos and information, visit odl.com/blinds.